In this session, we are going to discuss bitwise operators available in C. Note that the bitwise operators perform the operation at the bit level. Till now we were working on the decimal numbers, but bitwise operators are helpful to us to perform the operation at the bit level, and that's why here the data need to be presented in the binary form. In the binary form, each bit of the data is either 0 or 1. These are the examples of bitwise operators. Bitwise AND is represented by ampersand. Bitwise OR is represented by a single vertical bar. Bitwise NOT is represented by tilde symbol on the keyboard. Bitwise XOR is represented by a hat symbol on the keyboard. Bitwise left shift is double less than. Bitwise right shift is double greater than. Note that if we are using single ampersand, then it is a bitwise operator, whereas a double ampersand is a logical AND. In similar way, single vertical bar is a bitwise OR, whereas two vertical bars is logical OR. You should understand that difference because many times students get confused between bitwise AND and logical AND. Let's understand the working of bitwise operators. To understand the working, truth table will help us. X and Y, these are the two variables wherein we want to apply the bitwise operator. So the values of X and Y can be either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. Since there are two variables, I have four possible combinations of these values. Let's focus on the bitwise AND, that is X ampersand Y. Bitwise AND will give us the result true only when both bits are 1. In rest all cases, it will give me the result 0. In the bitwise OR, that is vertical bar, the result is 0 if both of the bits are 0. Otherwise, in all positions, the result is 1. In bitwise XOR, if both bits are different, then the result is 1. So in this case, the X is 0 and the Y is 1. In the other case, here X is 1 and the Y is 0, then also I'll get the value as a 1. In rest all cases, wherein the values are same, the result is 0. Bitwise NOT, simply the value of X is reverted. So 0 becomes 1 and the second 0 also becomes 1 and so on. So that is how the truth table of the bitwise operators look like. Let's have an example and then it will be more clear. Suppose we have two variables, the value of X is 6, the value of Y is 4. Binary representation of X is like this. The value of Y is 4 and here is the binary representation of the value 4. If you don't know how to convert decimal to binary, don't worry too much. Either you can refer the internet and understand the process. Else, in the next sessions, we are going to discuss a program that will convert given decimal number to the binary numbers. So if we apply the bitwise AND on the X and Y, then this is the final result. Note that bitwise AND compares each bit of X and Y with each other, and if both bits are 1, then only the value is 1, else it is 0. So you can note that the last third bit in X as well as in Y, it is 1. So that's why in the final result, last third bit is 1 and rest all bits are 0, and this is equivalent to 4 in decimal. So output of this operation will be 4 if we are displaying the output using %D, that is a decimal format specifier. If we apply bitwise OR on X and Y, then again it will compare each bit of X with respect to bit of Y, and Anywhere either of the bit is 1, it will return the 1. If both bits are 0, then it will return 0. And this is the final result. And that is equivalent to 6 in decimal. Exclusive OR operation is represented by hat symbol on the keyboard. So here respective bits are compared with each other. If both bits are different, then the result is 1. If both bits are similar, then the result is 0. And this is equivalent to 2 in decimal. So that is how the bitwise operators are applied on the data. Let's understand the bitwise shift operators. We have the left shift operator, which is represented by double less than, and we have the right shift operator, which is represented by double greater than. Let's understand the right shift operator, that is double greater than. This operator shifts all bits towards the right by certain number of positions. So right shift operator is helpful to us. We want to perform shift of all bits towards the right by certain specified number of positions. Let's see example. Suppose the value of A is 5. Then here is the binary representation of A. If we apply right shift operator on the A by 2 number of times. So I'm going to perform right shift twice. So since I am performing twice, rightmost 2 bits will go out of scope, and we are going to insert zeros on the left side, and this will be the final result. And if we find out the decimal equivalent of this binary representation, then it is 1. So that is how the right shift operator works on the binary data. Let's understand the left shift operator, which is indicated by double less than symbol, and it is similar to the working of the right shift operator. Only thing is that here we are performing shift of all bits towards the left by given number of positions. Suppose again the value of A is 5, and here is the binary representation of A. If we perform left shift on A by the 2 positions, then leftmost 2 bits will go out of the scope. They will be removed from the data, and we are going to add 2 zeros on the rightmost part of the data, and that's how the total result will look like. This is equivalent to 20 in decimal system. So that is how the bitwise shift operators work. Let's have a simple example of bitwise operators. On line number 4, I have declared 3 variables A, B, C. The value of A is initialized to 5. The value of B is initialized to 6. On line number 6, I am applying bitwise AND on the variables A and B, and I am storing the result in C. On the line number 7, I am applying bitwise OR. On line number 9, I am applying bitwise XOR. On line number 11, I am applying bitwise NOT. On line number 13, I am applying bitwise left shift. Whereas on the line number 15, I am applying the bitwise right shift. And here is the output of this given program. So A bitwise and B is 4, and so on. So it is very easy to use the bitwise operators in C programs. Thank you, and see you again.